Hello guys, this is DV again, and in this video I just want to show you guys my progress in DeFi staking platform, and this is day number 15. So as you can see guys, the auction lobby is open. So I'm shooting this video just after a few minutes after day number 14 ended. So as you can see, the auction lobby, so far there is 0.058 million TRX that has been put into the lobby, and I have a collection from day number 14. I put in 30k Tron, and that has got me 7.14k DSP. So I'm going to collect this, request in my wallet, so that should appear in my staking launch. Should appear here. Yes, it is already there. So, and there is also, they added some new features like the share rate here, and also the average diff pool. So this shows that on average every day we have been getting around 11.6 million Tron into the contract. And they also added the eligible bonus days here. This feature was not there, so they added it. So if you have some bonus days, they will be appearing here, and bonus day rewards will be appearing here. So those are the three features that were added, and I'm going to stake this. Remember, this is day number 15, so I'm going to stake this, and I've been putting up a strategy here. I've been putting them. You can see now all these stakes will start paying from 18th. There is this one on 18th, on 18th day, this one on the 19th day, 20th day, 21st day. So I'm going to stake this one to be paying me on the 22nd. So how many days will be though? We have to get 22nd here. So if I'm to put 75 to 2 for 7 days, it will be 23 and 22. So I stake it for 6 days. So I'm putting this strategy so that I can be able to collect my dividends every day while I reinvest my DSP. So you can see I'll be last paid here on the 21st, so this one has to be on the 22nd. Then I also made some long move here for 30 days, but it was only on a small amount. So these small amounts, I'm going to put them for longer days. And there is also some guy that I saw, actually he amused me very much. There is a stake that he called the Christmas package. So he put it up, and it has to end on the 28th of December, and all that money from it is gonna be his Christmas package. So I'll get one, and I also call it a Christmas package. So I'm staking this for 6 days. To stake, oops, that's my wallet to confirm. So it should be appearing here. So I've staked it for 16 days. It is ending on the 22nd. So if I enter the auction lobby today again, my next stake will be ending on the 23rd. So that's the strategy I'm gonna be using from today onwards. So guys, you can for those of you who want to join to buy into the auction launch, you can use my referral link here. But if you use someone's link, you can get a 5% discount. So I would emphasize you guys to use someone's link whenever you're entering into the auction lobby, because you need that extra 5%. It is small, but in terms of DSP tokens, it is some big chunk. And so if we are to go back to the auction, we have had a decrease here. we have had a decrease, you can see. Then number 13 ended with 11.97. This is when the site came back. So the number 14 has ended with 10.28 million. So that is a decrease. Let's hope today we shall come up to these high figures, 17 million, 15 million, and so on. Even you can see it here in the dividend histogram. So and the best time to buy is when the daily entry here, daily entry of Tron is not so much in the contract. Actually, I bought in when I saw in the number 14, I bought that 30k Tron when I saw that we had 8 million in the contract. So I saw it was a good time to buy. Remember, when you buy when there is little entry of Tron in the contract, you will be given more dividends compared to when you buy when there are very many people buying DSP tokens. So you should take an advantage of that to buy on days which are a low entry into the system. So guys, I think that's it. That's all I had for in this video. So and this stake here started earning today, and in just one day it has produced 6,600 TRX with an interest of 150 DSP. So its current value is this. So this is the stake that I put up yesterday, and it has just paid on its one day. So guys, that's all I have for in this video. See you in another video.